PM Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana 2025. PM Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana 2025 to come into effect from 1st August 2025. Ministry of Labour and Employment, effective from 1st August 2025. Budget outlay rupees 99,446 crore. Target creation of 3.5 crore new jobs in 2 years. Coverage jobs created between 1st August 2025 to 31st July 2027. Structure of the scheme. Part A. Incentives for first-time employees. Beneficiaries. First-time workers registered with EPFO earning up to 1 lakh per month. Benefits. 1 month EPF wage up to 15,000 in 2 installments. After 6 months of employment, then after 12 months plus completion of financial literacy program. Saving incentives. A portion of the benefit will be saved in a fixed deposit or saving instrument. Part B. Incentives for employers. Eligibility must hire minimum additional employees, 2 for less than 50 employees and 5 for greater than or equal to 50 employees. Incentives rupees 1,000 per month for EPF wage up to 10,000. Rupees 2,000 per month for 10,001 to 20,000 rupees and rupees 30,000 per month for rupees 20,001 to rupees 1 lakh.